So guys, I picked up some Chorizo Verde. Let's make chilaquiles. We'll start by cooking the chorizo. Just throw it down on a hot grill. Get a nice sear on it. It's gonna take 10-15 minutes. Cook these through. Just keep flipping them back and forth, and we'll go ahead and start some hash browns when they're getting close to done. Pile them out. So easy to do on this flat griddle. I square them up, hit them with some salt, pepper, garlic mix that I use. That's it. We're gonna throw some tortillas down now. Start the chilaquiles. So I'm gonna just give these a nice rough chop. Cut them up. I have a little bit of oil on them, a little butter, some salt, pepper, garlic again. We're gonna start getting these nice and crispy. Just keep flipping them around. Flip over the hash browns. Work those tortillas some more. Let's go ahead and slice up that sausage. It looks just about done, so once we slice it up, we're just gonna let it get a little crisp on all the edges. We'll work it a little bit on that flat grill, and that'll be good to go. Man, I wish you could smell this right now. Just get it all chopped up. We're almost ready. Now I'm gonna add a little tomatillo salsa to those tortillas. Put a nice layer on. Just toss them around. Grill them up a little bit more. Let them get kind of crunchy. It'll be time to start some eggs. I'm gonna keep these things sunny side up, but I'm gonna let them cook all the way through. Keep that yolk a little runny. We're gonna put a little cheese on those chilaquiles. Just about ready. Flip over those hash browns. Look at that. Let's plate. Hash browns go down first. We're gonna add a nice layer of the chilaquiles right on top of that. Chorizo Verde is next. Top that with an egg, then we garnish. I have pico de gallo, a little crema, some queso fresco. That's it, man. Look at that. Just get right in there and enjoy. Oh man, what a treat. Cheers, everyone.
Yum.